This video will show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on a Mazda 3. This will be located along the passenger side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Make sure your engine's cool to the touch because we're going to be making our way down along the passenger side. We don't want it hot. Looking along this area, we can see where our Serpentine belt is. We're going to have to deal with the Serpentine belt tensioner first. Now for this type of tensioner, you're going to be using a 17 millimeter. We're going to be pivoting it counterclockwise, and that's going to draw the pulley upward, releasing tension from the belt on the alternator. This is where we'll slide the belt right off of there. Now there's going to be minimal space for a 17 millimeter, but typically you can do this with a ratchet. Slow and steady on this tensioner. We can see it compress. Let's take hold of that belt and we'll pull it out of place. Now that we have the belt off of there, we can release tension from our tensioner, remove our tool. Now we can fully remove that belt. There it is, friend. Let's install our brand new Serpentine belt. As we start bringing this belt down into position, we're going for our crank pulley first. That's the lowest pulley towards the center of the engine. Now that I have it around that pulley, we're going to take the bottom area of this belt and I'm going to slide it over my AC compressor, which is all the way on the bottom on the front of the engine. Once I have it around there, the belt is going to go straight up around my alternator pulley, and then we need to have it down towards that tensioner pulley next. Continuing on, we're using our 17 millimeter on our tensioner. We're going to be twisting this counterclockwise, bringing the tensioner pulley up so we can slide the belt under, and then we can remove our tool. Now, once you feel as though you have the belt in the proper position, you need to take a thorough inspection. Clearly, my belt is not seated properly, and that's just on a smooth pulley. You also want to pay attention to each one of your ribbed pulleys. Any one of the ribs on the belt itself needs to fit into the corresponding groove on the pulley. If it's not seated properly, you're going to cause damage to the belt and potentially other damage as well. Take your time, make sure it's properly seated. Okay, we're just inspecting all the way around the alternator, all the way around the AC compressor, all the way around the crank. Okay. That looks good. Okay, friend, we finished the installation. Now the next thing we have to do is start up the vehicle. You're going to let it run for approximately 5 seconds and turn it right back off. Make your way back out here and triple check the belt. You need to confirm it's seated properly on each and every one of the pulleys. Aside from that, go ahead and close the hood and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.